Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to show you the Ugreen USB-C hub, and this one is able to output 4K 60 Hz through the HDMI port. And I already have an earlier model, but that one only goes up to 4K 30 Hz. So I bought this on AliExpress on the 11th of November, and that is also in China Singles Day because it's 1111, and I think I bought it for around 35 euros. So it's 9 in 1. So let's see. There's a sticker. Well, user instruction. Well, I guess we all know how these kind of things work. So there's a plastic protector. So this one goes into the device, and there's Ethernet, HDMI, a USB-C port, and well, just to be sure, yeah, so here you can connect a power adapter. So that means that if you connect a power adapter here, it can also charge the device. So here are the ports for SD card, micro SD, and there's two USB-A ports and two USB-C ports. So that's all. So I tested my previous USB-C dock, and or no, it's actually a hub, and on my 4K LG TV I saw that it was only able to go up to 30 Hz. So now I'm going to connect this to a laptop and connect HDMI to my 4K TV, and hopefully we're going to see that it really is 4K 60 Hz. So that will be after the break. Well, I have connected the USB-C hub to my Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 tablet, and well, I wasn't able to get it into 4K 60 Hertz. And just to be sure, I checked if I needed to update the tablets, and then I noticed I was still on Android 11, and after several updates, now I'm on Android 13. And yeah, connecting an external display, I can use extended mode. So unfortunately, it is only 4K 30 Hertz. And if you go into the secret menu, pressing 1 when you're above the channel, mode, and pressing 1 5 times, then you get this diagnostic screen. So the right bottom corner, you can see that the HDMI port is 4K, but it's only 30 Hertz. And I'm not really sure if the extra width, if that is forcing it into a lower frame rate. I also tried it with my Galaxy Flip 5, but also only 30 Hertz. And well, just to prove that my LG TV is able to handle 4K 60 Hertz, I'm going to connect the HDMI cable directly to a Windows laptop. And unfortunately, that particular Windows laptop doesn't recognize the HDMI port on the USB-C hub. So I'm going to move the cable directly to the HDMI port of the Windows laptop. And now you can see that it's 60 Hertz. And you also see that the width dropped back to 3840. So I'm not really sure if that is the reason why it dropped back to 30 Hertz, that the Android tablet outputs more than 4000 pixels. So I'm going to contact Ugreen about this because yeah, it looks like that compatibility might be an issue, because I don't really understand why my Windows laptop doesn't see the HDMI port on the USB-C hub. So unfortunately, yeah, this doesn't work as I hoped it would, but again, I'm going to contact Ugreen and let's see what they have to say. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.